After heating up the printer nozzle to 200, you're going to want to unlatch this and get this filament out of the nozzle. So you're going to want to take this latch, pull it outward and pull it up, and then take this bottom part and push it down. Now this is loose and you're able to get this filament out properly. So you're going to want to push down on the filament until filament comes out of the nozzle below. And then when filament comes down below, you're going to pull up very fast to get this out. And then afterwards, you're going to want to wrap it and wait for this to cool, and then tuck it in, if you can, into this thing. There we go. So when removing the filament, you're going to want to take the already put on filament off, place it somewhere safe, take the new color that you were trying to print, and place that back onto this filament roll. After this, you're going to have this filament that you're going to feed down into the nozzle. Before you do this, you're going to want to trim a little bit off of the end of the filament, because sometimes the filament won't feed correctly if it is not a straight cut. After this, you're going to lead this filament down into the same latch that we removed the filament from before, and there is a little hole within here that you can push this filament through. And after this, you can push it down. And I know it's a 3D printer, so you may not want to be a little forceful, but you do have to push through this filament and feed it through the nozzle until black filament comes out. And if you ever have any issues with wiping, use this little mat to get it through. And as you can see, there's only black coming through and no gray, so that means we've fed enough through, and we're going to relatch this portion here, and now we're ready to print.